just when I think I've seen it all, something like this comes along and really surprises me. And this is from the company LISEN. LISEN, maybe is what that is. I think that's how that's said. I actually have a product from these guys before. I have this kind of adjustable, this is their phone charger that also can charge, you know, lightning cables and USB-C. It's a 36 watt. I really like this thing. Very impressive company. They make a wide variety of phone accessories, and I just got in one of their new suction phone cups. Let me show you how this thing works. First, I've already taken it out of the package and went over it here. This is what you actually get right here. There's actually not much to it. 2 items right here, but then there was a little pack. I think there's a little pack. There's a USB-C cable. I know what you're thinking. Why would I need a USB-C cable for a phone stand? Well, it's interesting. This is a kind of like a little peel and stick thing. I don't think I'm going to use this because I was very impressed on what this thing would stuck. By the way, I stuck it down to a table, and it actually pulled up some of the gunk off a table, so I had to clean it a little bit. Let me show you how this thing works. So you charge it right here. And what are you charging? This is in only. This is not a phone charger. You're going to actually put this on first and then snap your phone case, which is kind of normal. But let me show you the magic in this thing. See this little button right here? When you put this thing down on something, believe it or not, the vacuum will suck it down. So what does that mean? That means it can stick pretty much anywhere. Here, look, let's just try it on the side of a door right here. Watch this. Look at that. On the side of my door, just randomly, and this has texture on it. Look how strong that is. I can put my phone right here. That's absolutely, so when I want to take it off, hit the button, it just pops right off. On a window, as soon as you mash it down, it sticks really good to glass. So if I want to just stick it on my window, check that. Now my phone is locked into place right there. And it just rotates. By the way, this is 360-degree rotating that way. It goes up and down that way. Okay, now I'm inside my van here. Let me show you some of the features of this thing. So I've never been able to get anything to stick to this dash very well because it has a texture on it. But check this thing out. Watch this. That's stuck down already. That's not going anywhere. That is crazy how well that sticks on there. And to take it off, just mash the button. And then let's say I want to put it where I want to really put it. Check out down inside of here. Now there's texture down inside there. Let's straighten this up. That is stuck down inside my cup holder, everybody. Is that not crazy? Look at that. That is great. That is absolutely amazing. Now, one thing I did notice, it puts a little ring on stuff like this, but that's easily come off with some like some Armor All or something like that. So I'm not that concerned about the little rings right there because I did put it on right here. So I tried it in a lot of different spots. Let's try it up on the window right here. We know it sticks to glass well. Look at that. So if I want to run my phone right there, which I don't do that, and I don't recommend people do that, put your phone in your line of sight right there, but I get why a lot of people do it. Me personally, I want it right here by the gear shifter. And I don't want a permanent spot for it. And then when I want to take it down, if I want to pull my phone out, I just hit that button, the phone comes out. Now this will accommodate a wide variety of phones. You can see how it works right there. And if I want to run a charger, so you can easily just put the charge cable, it fits right up in between that. And then when not in use, I can pull that off and then I'm good to go. And it just stays right there. And then if I want to take it down, just hit the button and that thing pops right off. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LISEN, vacuum phone mount. See you on the next video.